Hello, I am here at Brenton's house. He's right now actually having to get his battery replaced on his car. From here, after we get his car battery replaced, which I think he wants to go to Walmart for, we are going to be heading up to Grapevine for a train experience. It's kind of similar to the Polar Express, but I think it's Grinch themed this year. So yeah. Oh, look at you.
A train. I didn't even know we had passenger.
You trying to get the tickets?
Get the tickets.
Why?
Because we're gonna make a paranormal activity style, like home videos thing. We'll do.
Car number's right there, and then use that for your seating assignment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Have a good ride.
Thank you.
Need your help to sing even louder so we can get topped off and go even faster. Let's jingle bell rock all the way. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. You simply add a little bit of Mrs. Claus's secret recipe.
That way and this way.
Thank you, conductor. Icy Freeze X20. It's gonna turn this train into a winter wonderland on wheels. Aw, still bubbles. I guess I have a little bit more to do.
officially Christmas.
That's cool.
Say yes, 'cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express. Rocking around the Christmas tree.
Thank you for watching my vlog. I had a very fun time on the North Pole Express train. Sadly, you will have to get tickets super in advance because they did sell out. I had gotten my tickets on July 25th. So, but I will link in the description just more information on what to do for this. And like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.